everyone! Today I will show you the most amazing magic tricks from my collection and, most importantly, show you how they work. The first one is a famous visual trick straight from Japan, invented by a well-known Japanese illusionist named Shigeru Sugawara, and it's called the invisible zone. And here is how it actually looks. We have this little box right here with openings on both sides, and if we slide a pen into one of these holes, we can clearly see it coming out from the other side. So far, absolutely nothing unusual, right? Just a regular pen inside a box.
But watch what happens if we flip open this blue cover.
Look at that. We can see that the middle section of the pen completely vanishes from sight. The only things we can actually see are the very edge of the pen on one side and this metal spring sitting right in the center of this whole construction.
At this point, many people might think that this is some kind of a complicated spring and that there is a hidden system of tiny mirrors or something similar inside it. I honestly thought the exact same thing when I first saw it. But look, because here is the most interesting part. If we carefully take out this spring from the case, the invisible zone effect will still stay exactly the same. The middle of the pen is still completely missing.
I mean, how is that even physically possible? Look, I can even stick my fingers right through this invisible zone. It's absolutely amazing. So what is the actual secret here? Well, everything is very simple. The frame of this box is engineered in such a way that a small duplicate piece of the pen is already permanently hidden inside it. And if you look really closely, look right here. There is this small black button. See? Look, I can even press it with a regular matchstick, and the edge of the pen will show up on the other side. It's honestly pretty funny. And the whole secret is that we need to press this button using the little stick attached to this specific pen cap right here. And this is where the second trick of this illusion is hidden. Look, the pen cap is actually completely detachable from the rest of the pen. So the magician's task is simply to hide the remaining part of the pen with their hand, and just like that, we get this incredibly interesting visual trick. If you enjoyed this, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. All right, next up, we have a mind-blowing trick called the coin-piercing illusion. And trust me, this one is an absolute crowd pleaser because it looks completely impossible. Check this out. Right here, we have this small plastic case, and inside, there are 3 specific slots designed to hold our 3 coins. That it can be literally any coins. You can even borrow them straight from your audience to prove there's no setup. After we place the coins perfectly into these slots, we are going to cover them up with a regular piece of paper, exactly like this. Then we simply snap the case shut. And now, here comes the fun part.
Take a look at what I have in my hand. These are 3 solid metal spikes or screws. They are made of solid metal, just like the coins themselves. And right now, I am going to try and drive them straight through our coins. Sounds crazy, right? Let's do it.
So the first spike goes right into the opening, boom. The second one goes down, and the third one pierces right through the last coin, just like that. And look, if we turn the case around, you can actually see the sharp ends of the spikes popping out from the bottom side. You can even wiggle them around to see that they are 100% real and solid. There is no illusion there. They are definitely passing through the case. Now let's carefully pull them all back out of the box. 1, 2, and 3. And here is the ultimate kicker. Watch what happens when we flip open the case and remove that piece of paper. Look at that. The whole time, the coins were just sitting there in their spots, completely untouched. There is not a single scratch, hole, or dent in any of them. It is absolutely wild. Like, is it actual magic? Well, sorry to disappoint you, but not quite. The secret behind this illusion is actually brilliantly simple. Of course, the metal spikes don't actually pierce through the solid coins. The entire trick happens at the exact moment we cover the case with the paper. Look, let me show you the exact same process, but this time without using the paper, so you can see what's happening backstage. When we tilt the case slightly to the side, the inner tray holding the coins secretly slides over, and right where the holes are, a set of empty spaces appears that perfectly matches up with our spikes or pencils or whatever else you decide to shove through there. Your imagination is the limit. After that, your only job as a magician is to quietly slide that inner tray back into its original position while removing the paper, and boom, hocus pocus. The coins are perfectly fine. It's such a simple mechanism, but when that paper is on, it fools people every single time. What do you think? Would you have spotted the trick? Let me know.
All right, the next illusion is called sword through ring. And look, if some people tend to call the previous trick a bit childish, then this one, well, this one is on a whole different level. It is way harder to crack. I'm going to show it to you right now, and I want you to try and guess the secret. I seriously doubt that any of you will be able to figure it out on the first try. Check this out. We have this small case right here specifically made for a ring. And just like before, it can be literally any ring you want, even one borrowed from someone in the audience. It doesn't matter. We place the ring safely inside the case, and I want you to notice that the box is completely sealed from all sides. It is made of solid, tough plastic. There is no way you can just slice through it with this tiny sword. It's physically impossible. Next, we place this plastic case onto our little platform, and then we cover it up with this purple sleeve or screen. Take a close look inside this sleeve before I put it on. It is absolutely empty. There is no double bottom, no hidden pockets, no tricky mirrors or anything like that. It's just a hollow piece of plastic. And now for the main move. We take our miniature sword, slide it right into the slot at the top of the sleeve, and push it down fast. Boom! The sword pierces right through the box. At least, that is exactly what it looks like from the outside. Look, let me turn it around so you can see it from every single angle. It looks incredibly real. But wait, that is not even the most mind-blowing part of the illusion. Pay close attention to this. When we lift up the purple sleeve, it turns out that the sword didn't just magically pass through the solid plastic box. It actually pierced right through the ring itself. And now, by some absolute miracle, the ring is literally hanging on the sword. Like, what? How does that even make sense? Hold on though, don't go calling an exorcist just yet. In reality, it is all way simpler than it looks. In this specific trick, the secret has absolutely nothing to do with the plastic box, or the sword, or even that purple sleeve. The entire illusion is hidden right inside the base platform itself. Watch this. If I take the sword and press down right here inside this hidden slot, boom! The platform is actually spring-loaded this whole time. So the exact moment we snap that purple sleeve down onto the podium, it triggers the mechanism. The spring instantly launches the plastic case with the ring all the way up to the top of the sleeve. So when we slide our sword through the slot, it is already passing right through the open center of the ring. It's pure mechanical genius. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more behind-the-scenes magic, please show some love and support my little channel by hitting that subscribe button. It really helps me out a lot. Good luck, and thanks for watching.